Going into battle.
Exactly.
Like that.
Cool. Hi! Oh my god, can we have Tutu on here?
If Tutu wants to come up, she'll come up. Come on, Tutu. You want to say hello? Everyone's seen Tutu.
Do you want to eat the sock puppets? Oh yes, she's trying.
Tutu's curious about everything.
Tutu! No!
She'd rather eat the rest of the puppets.
No,
Sorry.
no,
Cat's gonna do what Cat's gonna do.
No! Come up here. You can eat Baelz as long as you come up here.
Oh, there she goes. Hey, Tutu. Hey, come on, Tutu.
Oh yay!
The Tutu. It's just a Tutu. It's a little Tutu.
You're welcome to eat her.
Come on, Tutu.
Let's go!
The Tutu. Who's a little Tutu?
It's nature. It's just
I guess
nature.
so.
It's natural.
What do you think about mommy like this, Tutu? You like mommy in this form? Oh god, she's taking her away! How did you not expect my cat to want to take the rat away?
That's a sacrifice.
Come on. Just let her do it. Just let her take Baelz to her lair.
No.
Alright,
Okay,
she's lost interest knowing that she can't actually take Bae to her lair. Sorry, Tutu. You got jebaited by Kiara.